So if I were to actually go ahead and let's say, for example, add in a note right here, just like this, and then add in a shape right here, just like this, and draw something, I am doing a series of tasks right here. If I want to go ahead and then revert back right here, so let's just go around over here, I'll set out the background right here, and let me just go ahead and then add in color as well. So if I want to revert back my actions, then I can go around over here and click on undo. So you can see that it goes one step back right here, just like this. You can also press Ctrl Z on your keyboard to go ahead and undo. But I can go around over here and redo things as well. So one by one, you can see that all of the things I did comes back. So you can go ahead and press undo right here, press Ctrl Z right here, and you can press Ctrl Y to go for the redo route. So this is undo and redo. But let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and undo in a certain position and make changes right here from this step onward, then I cannot redo from that point right here. So because I overridden the action that was recorded. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the undo and redo inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe